Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to put on socks properly. And this will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have my foot within a sock. And I'm going to show you how to put on a sock like this properly. This method will also work for socks that are a little bit shorter than this, a little bit taller than this, or longer than this, for basically all types of socks. Sporty socks, dress socks, any type of sock will definitely, you can definitely apply this method and this tutorial to any type of sock. So let's get right into this instructional video. I'm going to start off by taking off my sock. Okay, now, first and foremost, you want to make sure your sock is relatively the right size. So as you can see right here, because your sock will be a little bit stretched as you place it on, you want the heel and the toe to be slightly smaller than your actual heel and toe. So the heel and the toe of the sock should be slightly smaller than your actual heel and toe on your foot. So when I place my sock like this, you can see that the heel and the toe is just slightly smaller than my actual heel and toe on my foot, okay? That's going to lead to the best, sock fitment. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it to be relatively close. Now, when you're ready to put on the sock, what you want to do is take the sock and you want to gather it like this, okay? Gather it like this, okay? And then you want to place, when it's gathered like this, you want to stretch it over your toes, okay? So the first thing you want to do is stretch it over your toes and get your toes lined up in the toe section of the sock. So you can see my toes are lined up in the toe section of the sock right there. Then what you want to do is nicely, don't overstretch it, but sort of stretch it and work the sock until you get to the heel portion. So the heel right now is in place, okay? And then the last thing that you want to do is just sort of take it and sort of straighten it out. And don't stretch it too much, but make sure this is like nicely pulled up. And then you can release it like that. And as you can see right now, the sock is placed perfectly on my foot. There are no wrinkles on the bottom that are going to annoy me inside of my shoes. The toes and the heels are lined up nicely with regards to the toes of the sock. The toes, when I say that, I mean the toes of the sock and my actual toes themselves, and the heels of the sock and my actual heel itself. So the toe sections and the heel sections are lined up with my actual toes and my actual heel. Okay, everything's lined up nicely. The logo is up there in case you're wearing it without shoes. And yeah, it's really easy to do. But putting on a sock is something that we just do. But putting on a sock properly will allow you to feel so much better as you wear it throughout the day. Okay, so that's how to put on a sock properly. An easy tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.